Hello again, happy Monday. It's Jesse here, Supernova Design Company. It is distracting hearing kids yell at you. It is July 13th, Monday. We're going to stop quick reviews. I think that's a waste of time. Focus today is on business basics, products, and pricing. All of the system stuff and the foundation is great. It's actually better than great. I think it's really good, but it doesn't mean shit if we can't make money and start a business. So tasks for today: get the hook sizes, get the hook sized down from what it was to what it should be. Start working on the display model and get chunking through on the pricing. Challenges today is keeping focused when you get tough emails from people. We have a mediation meeting. Anyway, if it was easy, everybody'd be doing it. So let's keep moving. Take care. All right, Jesse here checking in. Here's what we were up to today. I was talking about the scale and how I made the first one wrong and that we got to adjust it. Not wrong, just too big. The initial beam that went across the top was 4 inches, which is this guy here. And looking at that, it's hard to tell if you're looking at a beam in somebody's house or a kitchen rack. It was there in between. It was definitely too big. But the scale, I don't know if this makes the scale of the hook, I think with that one looked pretty decent. And again, when I first started the design on these guys, I had to pick some arbitrary measurements, which was my mistake. I should have came out and looked at some pieces of wood first. But I just said, you know what, let me start 4 inches, and then grew from there, made everything look good, and then found out that 4 inches wasn't good. Here's the prototype we made, and obviously that hook, I don't think, well, maybe not obviously, but to me that hook looks too big on there. This guy does look good. I'm liking it. It was with steel and some scrap pieces, and there's a couple little ugly bits on there that we'll fix up on the next one, but we got to get this guy shrunk down. We went from 4 inches to 2.5, and we need to see what these curves look like to go from whatever these guys are to whatever makes sense for theirs. All right, crazy day. Let's go. Evening check-in. It helps when you leave the mic on. Completed today. We got the new hook design done. We created a pricing workspace and got all the project inputs for our new friend Sol 5.6. Lessons today that bouncing between software is hard. I use Fusion pretty regular, but there's occasionally where I take month breaks between, and today it was a little learning curvy to get back on it again. What's next? Build the new hooks that we got the picture for, and start working on a spec list for all of the kitchen racks. They're super customizable, lengths, widths, hardwoods, hook counts. We got to get all that captured before we can start figuring out how to price it. Wins today. We got a good walk-in this morning, and this afternoon we even headed over to Aim High and did some striking. It was nice to get to chat with the folks over there. And the other win today, we got to spend some time doing some designing. That is always a good day. Nice ride motorcycles. Any day I broke 100 or 120, that was a good day. These days we've slowed down, and anytime we get to design something, that's a good day. Age.